Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to build an essential part of our development environment, the database. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the MongoDB Server, the Shell, and the Compass GUI on Ubuntu 24.04. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for MongoDB. Click on the official link. Navigate to Products, then Community Edition. This is the free version we use for development. Click on Download Community. Scroll down to the MongoDB Community Service section. Version, select the current one. It's 8.2.2 right now. Platform, make sure you select Ubuntu 24.04. Package, select Server. Click Download. This will save a .deb file to your computer. This file is like an installer package for Linux. Once that downloads, open your terminal. First, let's navigate to where we downloaded the file. Usually, that's the Downloads folder. Command-C-D downloads. If you type ls, you'll see the .deb file there. Now, to install it, we use a command called dpkg. Type this out: sudo dpkg-i mongo. Press tab to autocomplete the long file name. Hit enter, type your password, and let it run. This unpacks and installs the database server. Okay, it's installed, but here is the trick that confuses a lot of beginners. The installation doesn't automatically start the database. We have to do that manually. First, let's check the status. Sudo system control status mongoed. See that? It says inactive or dead. We need to wake it up. Run this command: sudo system control start mongoed. Now, if we check the status again, it's green and says active. Perfect. Your database is now alive and running in the background. Now we need a way to talk to the database. We need a tool called the MongoDB Shell. Go back to the download page, and on the left side under Tools, click MongoDB Shell. Select the Ubuntu version. Keep it as a .deb package and click Download. Back in the terminal, we do the same thing. Type sudo dpkg-i and start typing mongo. Then hit Tab to find the new shell file you just downloaded. Once that finishes, let's test it. Type mongosh and hit Enter. Boom, we are inside the database. You can type show DBs to see the default databases. To exit, just type exit. Using the terminal is great, but as beginners, it helps to see our data. So we're going to install MongoDB Compass, which is a graphical user interface. Back to the website one last time. Under Tools, select MongoDB Compass GUI. Download the ubuntu.deb file. You know the drill by now. Sudo dpkg-i and install the Compass file. Now, go to your apps and search for Compass. Click to open it. You'll see a connection screen. The defaults here, localhost 27017, are exactly what we need. Just click Connect. And there we go. This is your database visually. Let's create one for our channel. Click the plus button. I'll name the database NewCoderDB and the collection Tutorials. Now we can see our database on the left. We can add data, delete data, and visualize it without writing complex commands. This is going to be super useful when we start feeding data into our machine learning models later on. So that is how you install the full MongoDB stack on Ubuntu 24.04. We have the server, the shell, and the GUI all ready to go. In the next video, we're going to get hands-on. I'll show you exactly how to store documents, update fields, and delete records using both the command line shell and the visual interface. If you ran into any errors, drop a comment below, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.